Is Blue Guardian prop firm a good prop firm, or is it just total bullshit like others? Or is it just total BS like other prop firms? Find out in the video. So what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a review of the Blue Guardian prop firm. So guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Watch the full video until the end so that I can go to Trustpilot to find out more about what other forex traders are saying about this prop firm. So let's get into the video. As you can see here, I'm on their website now. As you can see, funding for serious traders. Guard our capital and receive 85% of the profit. They also have a Discord. So now let's go to first, let's just quickly check their evaluation, our evaluation. Before we allow you to trade with us, we need to ensure that you are a consistently profitable trader. Therefore, we have developed trading objectives you must complete during our evaluation process. By meeting these trading objectives, you prove that you are a disciplined and experienced trader. So this is the evaluation, guys. This is their evaluation, meaning that they have a 10k account, 25k account, 50 account, 100k account, 200k account. They also have phase 1 and phase 2. And in the stage 3, you are a guardian trader. Trading period is unlimited, guys. Trading period is unlimited. You can take even a year or 2 years for you to complete your phases. It's unlimited, as you can see. Minimum trading days is 0, so there are no minimum trading days here. Profit target. The profit target of this Blue Guardian is 8%, guys. That is the good thing about this prop firm. That is one good thing about this prop firm, is that the profit target is 8% instead of the 10% that FTMO and other prop firms are asking. And in stage 2, in phase 2, look at this one. Phase 2, guys. Just look at this one. Phase 2, they are only asking for you to have a 4% pass rate. A profit target of 4%, guys, in phase 2. Maximum loss. Here, it is not that good. Do you know why am I saying so? Other prop firms like my Forex funds has 12% of a drawdown. FTMO has a 10%, and this one has in phase 1 has a maximum loss of 8% instead of the 10%. Maximum daily loss is 4%. Which is also, in my case, it is not good comparing to the prop firms that I've already used, like the Funded Trader, My Forex Funds, FTMO, and the Funded Trading Plus. So account leverage is 1 to 100. A profit split is 85. A refundable fee 497. That is on a 100k account. So if you look at a 10k account, because most of us, we can only afford this 10k, 25k, and 50k. We cannot afford these expensive ones. So the price for the 10k account, it is 87. It is 87, but if you use a discount code, you can pay less than this amount that you see here. So that is a 10k account. It is $87 US dollars. So now profit target, as I said, it is 8% on phase 1, and phase 2 it is 4%. Maximum loss, it's 8%, which is 800 in this case, phase 1 and phase 2. And also maximum daily loss is 400, which is 4%. The leverage is 1 to 100. Profit split is starting at 85%, guys. So let's now look at a 25k. A 25k profit target is 8%, which is 2000. Phase 1, phase 2, it is 4%, which is 1000. Phase 2, okay, and maximum loss is 2k, which is 8%, and in phase 2 it is 2k, which is 8%. Maximum daily loss is 1000, which is 4%. So the leverage is still the same. Profit split is 85, and the price for this 25k account is 185 US dollar. So let's look at 50k. 50k, as we said, minimum trading days is 0. Trading period is unlimited, as you can see in all phases. So profit target is 4%, which is 4000 in phase 1. Phase 2, it is 2k, which is 4% in phase 2. Maximum Maximum loss is 4K, which is 8%. Maximum daily loss is 2K, which is 4%. Account leverage is still at 1 to 100, and profit split it is 85. And the refundable fee, guys, the fees that you will be refunded once you pass all the through, once you go through to the stage 3, which is a trading on a live. That is where you get your refund, which is 297 US dollars. So now let's look at the 100K. We already covered that one. So let's look at 200K. At 200K, as you can see, profit target is 16K, which is a 8%. And in phase 1, phase 2, it is 8K, which is 4%. Maximum loss is 16K, which is 8%. In phase 1, it's also in phase 2, it's the same. So maximum daily loss it is 8K, which is 4% in phase 1 and phase 2. So that is daily loss. Now let's look at account leverage is 1 to 100. Profit split it's 85%. Refundable fee is 947 US dollars. It is refundable, guys. So now let's go and look at other. Okay, phase 1 is the first step of the evaluation process. You need to succeed here to advance to phase 2. Prove your trading skills and discipline, observing the trading objectives. Phase 2. Phase 2 is the second and the last step towards becoming a funded trader. Once you pass this stage and your results are verified, you become a funded trader with us, Blue Guardian. So now, Guardian trader, that is phase 2. Phase 3 now. You are now a funded trader at Blue Guardian. Trade responsibly and consistently, and you can earn up to 85% of the profit that you make. If you are profitable month after month, we offer to increase your account balance according to our scaling plan. The process now. You sign up, register for one of our evaluation, receive your login, receive your credentials instantly, and log into the traders dashboard. Start your evaluation. Begin your evaluation by trading and following the objectives shown on your dashboard. Start earning. Once you have passed your evaluation, you will receive payout B weekly if profitable. So meaning that you here they don't wait for you to reach a month for you to receive your payout. It's received B weekly if you are profitable. So the payout system here, it's one of the important things, or the profit split for all Guardian traders is set to an industry leading 85%. All Guardian traders can request a payout on demand via the dashboard. The payout can be processed just after 14 days. So meaning that the payout can be processed. It can be processed after 14 days. You can process your payout anytime after your payout date. In conclusion, you can withdraw when it is most convenient to you. We process our payout with deal as well as other options you need. So let's continue. Our Blue Guardian Protector. With our Blue Guardian Protector, you will never have to worry about hitting your daily loss limit again. Our optional built-in equity protector allow our traders to limit the amount they can lose in a day and ensure that they stay comfortable and protected. We even offer the choice to block trading until tomorrow to stop you from over trading. That is the good thing, guys. That is the good thing. If that is what is happening with this prop firm, this is one of the good things. If you are one of those traders that overtrade, this one they will stop you automatically from over trading. Now this easy to use tool can be found in our user-friendly dashboard. We are helping you guard our capital. It's a win-win. So what do we do at Blue Guardian? We strive to guide skillful and experienced trader to maximize their talent to their full potential and secure a funded account. We are traders too. We know the struggles traders face with insufficient capital. Therefore, your exceptional trading skill combined with our evaluation process will make a wonderful partnership. Why us? Why Blue Guardian? Realistic target. Our model has the most competitive and realistic targets in the market. The profit targets are 8% to 4%, which are the lowest in the industry. That is true. This allows for all traders to have a fair chance at becoming a funded trader, progressing on their trading journey. No restriction. When we say no restriction, we mean it. We allow the use of EAs, trade copiers, trade upon news releases, and hold trades over the weekend. We have no restriction on lot size limits or margin or hedging. So now, guarding protector. All traders can access our built-in equity protector to limit them hitting their maximum daily loss. We are the first prop firm to offer a risk management tool in the dashboard traders. That is the good thing about this prop firm. If it is what they are doing, if it's what they are giving, if whatever they are saying on the website is true, this one shows to me that this one is a good prop firm, guys. Okay, profit split. The profit split for our funded trader is 85%. The industry standard is 80%. We are ahead of the competition. We give refundable fees and also make make our evaluation parameters the most competitive in the market. Bi-weekly payout. We offer our traders bi-weekly payouts. This means that you can receive your profits every 14 days rather than having to wait a full 30 days of trading. You can now get that first withdrawal and refund a whole lot sooner. Become a funded trader. Receive Essential instantly and log into the traders. So now what people think now? Okay, let me just quickly go. They have a Discord also where you can join. They have a Discord where you can get in contact with their support team, so that if you have any issue with one of their accounts, then you contact them immediately. So that is the good thing. A forex prop firm, it must have a Discord so that you can reach their team in case of emergency if you have anything that you want to be assisted with. So now, as you can see here, so let me just quickly go to Trustpilot and check what other people think, what other people that are currently using the Blue Guardian prop firm. Now there is Unlimited Guardian, that is what we look at, but now we have Elite Guardian. There are two models that they have. They have Unlimited and they have Elite Guardian. Now looking at Elite Guardian, the trading period is unlimited. Minimum trading day is 5 days. Profit target is 8% in phase 1 and phase 2. Maximum loss, so that's okay. Now the Elite is a good one compared to the other one, which is unlimited. So now for this one is a 10% maximum loss, while the other one is 8%. So choose carefully when you are choosing these accounts. So check which one is more beneficial to you. So in case of this one now, Elite, maximum loss is 10%, phase 1 and phase 2. Maximum daily loss is still at 4%. So now at the account leverage, if you are one of those people that you have a tight risk management, you are good on risk management, you don't want to risk more, you can go with this Elite Guardian, which is having a lower leverage, which is 1 to 50, while the Unlimited Guardian is at 1 to 100. Profit split is at 885, but the prices here, they are differ. Why? As you can see here on the 10k account, guys, as you can see here on the 10k account, the Unlimited Guardian is 85, or is it 87? Let me check. Let me not lie. It's 8. Let me just quickly check. Okay, the 10k account is 87, and here on Elite Guardian it is at 120. That is where the difference is. But if you use a discount coupon code, you will not pay more than this 120. You will pay less than this amount that you see on the screen here, that you see on the website. So the good thing about now, okay, so that is where the difference is. But if you want to find out more, you can just go on their website, or you can use a link that I will drop in the video description or the video comment section, and then you can use that link to can purchase any of your evaluations or challenge accounts using that link. Or if you want to check out, you can just use that link and then you go on their website to check what am I saying here, to check out for yourself, to read the rules of the prop firms. But this one, as you can see, it doesn't have that strict rules. So now let's go on Trustpilot to check what other traders are saying about this prop firm. What other traders are saying about this prop. Okay, now as you can see here, now I'm on Trustpilot, and you can see that okay, this is the logo of Blue Guardian. As you can see, they have so far over 573 reviews, which is excellent, which is 4.8, and it's also a verified company. This is very important, guys. This is a verified company. This is just to prove that okay, it is them. It's a proof of identity and stuff like that. So now where do you check now? Okay, you come down here and check. Okay, now you check here. Okay, now they claimed their profile. They replied to 64% of negative review, which is also good, because I've seen some of the prop firms, they never reply to negative comments or reviews. It means it shows me something if a certain prop firm doesn't respond to negative reviews. So now let's look at the reviews. I'll just quickly look at it. I don't have time to go look every review for us. Okay, let's just look at number one, Ali, which was posted on 22 August. Their support are great and kind. They try to help you via different platforms, and you can feel free to get in touch with them by website chat or Discord or Twitter or anything you want. They also have a Guardian protector that doesn't let your account from a breach. So thanks, Blue Guardian. So this, as you can see here, we are only seeing good reviews over 5 stars. So far I haven't seen any bad review. As I can see, I've heard, okay, there is this one. Okay, let me just go through. Scammy broker with zero concern in their action. I will never do nothing with them ever. I took the in the position of before I got a refund. But you also, why the complain here if you are already you already got a refund. So some people they don't know. Okay, let me just not comment on that one. So as you can see, most of the reviews here they are positive. So you hardly see any negative review here. I've heard also some of the people saying apparently we cannot trust this trust pilot reviews because some of the prop firms and brokers they pay people to come and write good reviews here while people they never use. So as you can see here, I'm from Vietnam. I love Blue Guardian. For the first time I've made a profit Blue. My withdrawal process was a bit slow, hoping for improvement in the future. I'm really glad that Blue has paid me in full. Very trustworthy, and I'm from Vietnam. I love Blue Guardian. So guys, that's it guys. That is it. So guys, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any question regarding this. Join our free Telegram group. It's for free. I don't sell anything guys. No, I do not sell. Know that I do not sell anything in the forex space for now guys. I do not sell anything. I don't do forex courses. I don't do mentorship. I don't sell signal. The groups that I drop signals every day, it's for free guys. You don't have to pay anything to be part of guys. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you have any question regarding what I have discussed, or if you have any suggestion of what to discuss next, drop it in the comment section guys. So bye guys.